Hello, my name is Dita Maharani. Here I will explain global health and access to medication. The World Health Organization emphasizes that equitable access to safe and affordable medication is essential to achieving the highest standard of health for all people. Ensuring equitable access to medication is also a key narrative of the Sustainable Development Goals. As the SDG establish access to safe, effective, quality, and affordable essential medication and vaccine for all. As a key component of universal health, the SDG emphasizes the need to develop medication to address persistent treatment gaps. However, around 2 billion people worldwide do not have access to essential medication, especially in low and middle income countries. Introduction. Equitable access to medical and health products is a priority worldwide. Therefore, the availability, accessibility, acceptability, and affordability of this product of usual quality must be addressed to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, especially target. Despite the progress made globally, millions of people lack ETM in the developing countries due to the hindrance that block access to quality medication. From a human rights perspective, ETM is intrinsically linked with the principle of equality and non-discrimination, transparency, participation, and accountability. Universal health coverage ensure that globally people have the continuous access to high quality essential medical and health service, secure, reliable, affordable, essential medication and vaccine, and also financial security. According to health diplomats, health diplomacy is the chosen method for interaction between stakeholders engaged in public health and politics for the purpose of representation, cooperation, resolving disputes, improving health system, and securing that the right to health for vulnerable population. For given this context, health diplomacy has a potential role in addressing the challenge and filling the gaps created by the inaccessibility to essential medication and drugs. Access to medication through global health diplomacy. Barclay argued that in the very beginning of the pandemic, it became clear that in addition to COVID-19 vaccine, we also needed to make sure that everyone in the world had access to them to put an end to this global crisis. This stimulated world leaders to demand a solution that would involve the development and production of COVID-19 vaccine as well as diagnostic and treatment, and ensure people in all countries have quick, fair, and equitable access to them. Today, COVAX is the remedy of choice. COVAX is the product of an extraordinary and similar global collaboration in which more than 2/3 of the world participate. As such, COVAX represents the best change to end this pandemic at best as soon as possible. COVAX has demonstrated its efficacy as a global mechanism for equitable access to COVID-19 vaccine. Since February, the country has distributed more than 70 million vaccine doses to 126 countries and economies around the world, from remote island to conflict zone, in what is the largest and most challenging vaccine rollout in history. The first doses of the COVID-19 vaccines were also distributed to more than 35 countries. So far, COVAX has distributed more than 1 billion doses of COVID-19 vaccine to around 145 participants. According to the WTO, the highest average tariff rate on imported medication are found in South Asia and Latin America. Conclusion: health as a human right obligates the states to ensure access to timely, acceptable, and affordable health care, in which access to essential medication is essential. A joint statement by 15 think tanks from 14 countries recommended the state or government might ensure at ETM through two pathways. 1. Reducing unnecessary medication by reducing taxes, abolishing taxes, and eradicating other threat barrier, and 2. Accelerating ETM by speeding up patient examination, simplifying the drug approval process, modernizing government reimbursement decision making, and promoting open trade in medication. This is a bibliography. That's all from me. If there are errors in pronunciation, please forgive. Thank you.